welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 20 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension passages, right? तो अब हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द comprehension passages. तो सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि comprehension passages आखिर होते क्या है, right? So let's discuss. Comprehension of an unseen passage trains students s- trains students to grasp the meaning of the passage, right? तो comprehension of unseen passage जो है वो students को train करता है उनकी रीडिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करने में, ताकि वो पैसेज को पढ़ सके और उसका मीनिंग अपने आप निकाल सके. द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स and their ability to express the substance of the passage in their own words. ये बच्चों की जो समझने की शक्ति है उसको टेस्ट करता है और साथ ही उनके एबिलिटी यानी कि उनकी क्षमता को टेस्ट करता है कि वो पैसेज को कितनी जल्दी समझ सकते हैं और उनके आंसर्स अपने लैंग्वेज में कैसे फ्रेम कर सकते. नाउ दे से हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट एन अनसीन पैसेज. एक अनसीन पैसेज को अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें करनी चाहिए. सो इट इज read the passage at least twice so that the theme and the main ideas of the passage are clear. तो हमें पैसेज को कम से कम 2 बार पढ़ना चाहिए ताकि हम उसकी थीम और उसके मेन आइडियाज को अच्छे से समझ सकें, राइट? रीड द क्वेश्चंस based on the passage and search for their answers in the passage. कि हमें क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ना चाहिए, साथ ही साथ अ, जो क्वेश्चंस सॉरी हमें क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ना चाहिए जो कि पैसेज पर बेस्ड होते हैं और उनके आंसर्स के लिए ट्राई करना चाहिए कि वो पैसेज में ही हमें मिल जाए, राइट? नाउ राइट डाउन द आंसर्स इन योर वर्ड्स रादर देन कॉपिंग फ्रॉम द पैसेज. कि हमें पैसेज में से कॉपी नहीं करना चाहिए, rather we should convert that line into our own words and then write the answers, right? Your answers should be in the same tense which the question have been asked. जिस टेंस में आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है आप आंसर भी उसी टेंस में लिखोगे. इफ सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज इन द पास्ट टेंस you also have to receive the answer in the past tense only, right? Next, your answers should be cleared and briefed to the point. कि आपके answers इतने ज़्यादा lengthy और like we should not roam up here and there. They should be short, precise and brief so that the reader may get interest and the direct point of the question that has been asked, right? At least revise your answers, correcting spellings and grammatical mistakes. आपको हमेशा अपने आंसर्स को रिवाइज करना चाहिए ताकि अगर उसमें कहीं कोई स्पेलिंग एरर हो या फिर कुछ ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स हो तो वो आप सही कर सको, राइट? एंड आपके जो आंसर्स हैं वो गलत. हियर वी हैव एन एग्जांपल व्हिच इज सॉल्व्ड. सो लेट्स try to read this and have a better example of the unseen passage, that is the comprehension, right? So this is the solved one. जैसे read the unseen passage carefully and answer the following questions. तो जल्दी से इस unseen passage को पढ़ते हैं और इनके जो आंसर्स हैं इनको फॉलो करते हैं. So, Jumman Sheikh had an old aunt. She had a small piece of property, but she had no very close relatives. Jumman had made big promises to his aunt and coaxed her to transfer the property to his name. So long as it was not done to, the aunt had been treated with utmost kindness and respect. She was served in all types of nice food, pulao, and puddings were placed before her. But when the property was transferred, all kindness vanished. Juman's wife became harsh and rude. Juman too hardened his heart. राइट सो हमने यहाँ पर आसानी से इस पैराग्राफ को पढ़ लिया राइट बट इट वाज सेड कि हमें पैसेज को हमेशा 2 बार पढ़ना चाहिए सो लेट्स रीड द पैसेज ट्वाइस जुम्मन शेख हैड एन ओल्ड aunt. She had a small piece of property, but she had no very close relatives. Juman had made big promises to his aunt and coaxed her to transfer the property to his name. So long as it was not done, the aunt had been treated with utmost kindness and respect. She was served with all types of nice food. Pulao and puddings were placed before her. But when the property was transferred, all kindness vanished. Jumman's wife became harsh and rude. Jumman too hardened his heart. Right? Now, they say answered the following questions. तो अब यहाँ पे हमें कुछ questions दिए हुए हैं जल्दी से इन्हें आंसर करते हैं such as who had a small property. तो वो स्मॉल प्रॉपर्टी किसके पास थी वी हैव द आंसर्स ओवर हियर जुम्मन्स aunt had a small property right and that was we read in the chapter. Next, why was Jumman kind and respectful to his aunt in the beginning? And the answer is Jumman was kind and respectful to his aunt in the beginning because he wanted to get her property transferred to his name. What was Jumman's attitude later on? So, later on, Jumman became hard and harsh to his aunt. Next, Jumman's wife, what was the attitude of Jumman's wife to her aunt? Jumman's wife became harsh and rude to her aunt, right? Why did their attitude change? Their attitude changed because they got her property transferred to Jumman's name. Now they thought of her as an extra burden, right? So you saw how easy it was that we found all the answers in the passage itself, right? As you can see, we have a lot more examples over here, right? So you can read them and try to answer the questions so that you can enhance your reading skills as well, right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all got the things really well and you'll be easily able to attempt the unseen comprehensions from now onwards, right? So that was all. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.